Okay, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to add posts, or as we're calling them on the front page of the FormPress site, articles. So we're going to go into the WordPress dashboard and we're going to click on the post menu over here, and we'll see a list of all of the posts that have been created so far, either drafts or published. Now first and foremost, and as we talked about in the previous tutorial when we were adding an issue page, is whatever posts or articles that you want grouped together in a volume or issue, you need to make sure that the category for that post is labeled the same as the page of the issue. So volume vol1 ish1 category posts will be displayed under the page whose title is vol1 ish1. Okay? Now the next thing that's very important to realize is the tags of these posts. I'm going to go into edit right here on this particular article to kind of give you a little bit better indication of what's going on here. Now we've got two different locations where these posts can show up on the landing page of the FormPress site for an issue. Now, and that is the sidebar section for corporate counsel, or from the main content area over here on the left for co-host law firms. Now, there's two different tags that separate that. Whatever post that I tag as counsel, that will show up right here on this sidebar section of the landing pages. If I were going to change this, let's press this little X and delete this, and let's click article instead of counsel, and let's update this page. Refresh. You will now notice that that particular article is now displayed over here on the left and not the sidebar. So let's go back and change it from article, and if I want to just type this in here, I can do that as well. Click add, and now let's save the page, refresh, and now you will notice that that is back over in the sidebar section. So it's as easy as that to get these pages or posts to display in the correct areas on the issue pages here. Next, let's talk about the content. Now, one of the big things that we need to make sure is that we're obviously categorizing it, but also we need to make sure that we've got some content added here. So let's go to an actual post page. Let's click on this, and you can see there's a bunch of content that's getting displayed right in this section of the page on the front of the site, and that's all coming from this location here. This next section, author image, author name, author title, all of this data right here is used both in the sidebar section here and on the home landing pages for that issue. You'll notice that it's also displayed here. This section is an excerpt of the content, which we can show you right in this section. And then this is the title of the post, which is right up here. And then we also have this particular author image, author name, and title. All of this data gets used in these sections all right here. So as I also go down and add law firm details, they are added over in this section. So we're going to do one more tutorial and kind of go more in depth on these features for adding posts.